Alright, okay, let's kickstart once more. This is still your great channel where we teach you a lot of things, academic and business opportunities. Okay, welcome. Today we are going to continue with Igbo language. If you want to learn Igbo language, you stick to this great channel where you learn a lot of things. Okay, today we are looking at ekele maka ọnọdụ dị iche iche mmadụ na-anọ. Ekele maka ọnọdụ dị iche iche mmadụ na-anọ. That is situational greetings. Okay, situational greetings. Somebody may give birth to a child. There is a greeting in Igbo land that we used to say to the person. Or somebody may lose his or her loved one. There is a greeting that we used to give to the person. So that is what we call situational greetings. Okay. So ekele maka ọnọdụ dị iche iche. Okay. Now, so situational greetings among the Igbo people are many. We have so many of them. Okay. We group the selected situational greetings we have chosen here into two good and the bad ones for a better coordination. We have situational greetings for good. Somebody that is in a good situation, there is a greeting for the person. Somebody that is in a bad situation, there is greeting for the person. Now, let's look at Omugwo, which is number one. Omugwo meaning child nursing. Omugwo, which is child nursing. Okay. This is a situation where a woman that gave birth is in when she is nursing a newborn baby or babies. So the greeting that we used to give to the woman, look at ekele, which is greeting, response, oziza. You can see the number A, the alphabet A, Igbaliala, which means what? Well done. Igbaliala, which is well done. That is greeting the woman that is nursing a child, and she will respond, "Oh, imeela," which is okay, thank you. So imeela means what? Thank you. Oh means okay. Okay, the second one is lezie nwa anya. Lezie nwa anya, which means take good care of the baby. Then the person will respond, oh, English format, okay. Then the next one, the third one is unu alola. Unu alola. Unu alola, which means you are welcome. Okay, look at the English format. O imeela. Okay, thank you. So she will respond. If you tell her unu alola, she will say o imeela. Okay. The next one is ndo, sorry. When the woman is still having pains. So when the woman that gave birth is still having pains, if you want to greet her, you say her ndo. Ndo means sorry. Ndo means sorry, and she will have to respond. If she can, she will say oh, which in English means okay, if she can. Okay. The next one says jisie ike. Jisie ike, which is be strong. She will say okay, imeela, which is okay. She will say oh, imeela, which is okay, thank you. So that is the greeting we give to a woman that is nursing a child. So you can choose any of these depending. So If she's still having pain, you just tell her sorry, ndo. Sorry, ndo. Tell her that is it if she's still having pain. But if she's no longer having pain, you just tell her ịgbalị ala, which is well done. Lezie nwa anya, which is take good care of the baby. Jisie ike, which is be strong. Alright. Okay, the second one, the second situational greeting is ịga ọdụ ije. Ịga ọdụ ije, which means leaving one town to another place, which is traveling. Leaving one town to another place, which is traveling. Okay, ịga ọdụ ije. Now this one is a situation where somebody is leaving where he or she is staying for another place. Okay. Okay, the greeting, that's the ekele, and the response, the person will respond to you. Okay, you want to greet the person. Ga, je, ga, or je nke ọma, which is what? Go well. Either you say ga nke ọma or you say je nke ọma. And the person will have to respond, oh, emailer. You say, okay, thank you. Alright, then we have the B part of it, nọdụ nke ọma, which is stay well. And the person will have to respond in the other response form, okay. And the third one is ije ọma, safe journey. Ije ọma means safe journey. Some people even answer this this as name, especially the female children of Igbo people. Ije ọma. Okay. The person will say respond okay, which is o. Ka emesia, which is till next time. As you greet the person in that way, the person will now respond o ka emesia or okay. The next one is we'll leave the next one because I can't see this thing, but the okay, this one means the fifth one means ezi rubere gị isi, which means what? Johnny Macy's. And the person will respond oh emailer, which is what? Okay, thank you. Alright, so we have to continue with the greeting. Okay. Okay, this is another situational greeting, but this one has to do with the nlọta ọdụ ije, njem. That is, come back from travel. When somebody traveled and the person returned from his or her journey, how you will greet the person. Okay, how Igbo people used to greet the person that just returned from a journey or from from a journey. Okay, so number A, you can say no. When the person returns, you say what? No, which is what? Welcome. And the person will respond oh, that is okay. Okay, it's the B part of it. The number 2 way you can greet the person is ịlọtala, which means have you come back. The person will say which is English, yes. Or oh, which is okay. Oh, yes. Okay, the third one is gị na ije. Gị na ije, which is you have come a distance. Gị na ije, you have come a distance. And the person will respond ọ dị egwu. The person will say yes, it is not easy. Or can still respond to the person and tell the person ị bịala, which is what? Welcome. Ebiala, which is welcome, and the person will say, oh, imeela. That is the thing. Okay, so the next situational greeting is ijikere ule. That is preparation for exam. That's like you as a student now. You are preparing for exam, and somebody want to greet you as respond to you as a person that is preparing for exam. This is what the person will say. These three things, that is what the person may say in Igbo language. Look at A, which is number 1, which is jisie ike. Jisie ike, which means try harder. Person that is preparing for exam, you tell the person jisie ike, which is try harder. You now respond oh imeela, which is okay, thank you. Or you say, either you don't say jisie ike, you can say mee nke ọma. Mee nke ọma. Or you say a person that is going to write an exam, you tell the person mee nke ọma, which means do very well, and the person will respond oh imeela. Just that. So the third one is ihu ọma kpọkwa gị. Yes, ihu ọma kpọkwa gị, which is what? Good luck. Ihu ọma kpọkwa gị, good luck. And the person will say, oh, in the English they say, okay. Alright. Okay, we'll look at another situational greeting, which is the next one, which is oge ọrụ. During work. When you see a person that is working, what you can say to the person. What you can say to the person in form of greeting the person. Okay. The first greeting you can say to a person that is working is Daalụ ọrụ. Daalụ ọrụ, which is what? Well done. And the person will respond oh imeela. You can see it in English there, in the English translation there. Okay, the B part of it, which is number 2, is you can say the person jisie ike, which is well done. Somebody that is working, you tell the person jisie ike, is well done. The person will respond oh. The third one is ọrụ. Ọrụkwanụ. Ọrụkwanụ. How is work? How is work? If you don't say ọrụkwanụ, you can say kedu maka ọrụ. Kedu maka ọrụ. It still means the same thing. How is work? So, and the person will now say ọ dị mma. It's fine or fine. The person can just say fine, or you can decide to say it's fine in response. Okay. So another situational greeting is nnata iru ọma. That is, be in favor. When somebody favor you, or when somebody got favor from somebody, the kind of greeting you will give to the person. Okay. Nnata iru ọma. Iru ọma means favor. Iru ọma means favor. Okay, the first greeting you can give to the person is jide nke iji. Jide nke iji, which means keep it up. Keep it up. Okay. The person will now respond oh imeela. Or the next greeting you can give to the person is ịgbalịala. So when somebody gives favor, show you favor, you tell the person ịgbalịala, which means you have done well. You have done. When somebody gives you gift, you tell the person ịgbalịala, you have done well, and the person will respond oh. Then the next one you can say is what? Jisie ike, keep it up. And the person will say oh. The last one is inwaka. When somebody gives you a gift, you tell the person inwaka, which means congratulations. Inwaka. And the person will have to respond, O imela. Okay, that's that. Okay, another situational greeting is oge nzuko. Oge nzuko, during gathering. Gathering means in Igbo nzuko. Okay, so this is when people come together for one thing or the other. The reason for gathering may be good or bad. However, the end purpose must be for the good and progress of the people. Okay? Oge nzuko, during gathering. Number one thing you can say, number one greeting style you can say is what? Chai, cha, 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 cha. Kwenu. Cha, 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 cha. Kwenu. And they have to say, if you say kwenu, they will say, tell them again, kwenu. They will accept. You now tell them, kwezuenu. In Igbo, when they are in the gathering, you want to stand up to speak in that gathering or in that meeting, you stand up and say, cha, 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 kwenu. They will say, hey. You tell them, kwenu. They will respond again. They will tell them, kwezuonu. And they will now accept. That is what? Form of greeting. As you are saying cha 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 kwenu, they will say yeah, which means yes. They will say yeah, which means yes. That's how they will respond until you finish. You don't want to use that style, you can say ndewonu. That means I greet all. Ndewonu means I greet all. They will say oh or okay. Okay, the third one you can use is unu anola. Unu anola, I greet all. And they will respond as well. The last one you can use is unu anwụchula. Unu anwụchula on. May you all never die young or premature. May you never die young. Unu anwụchula. May you never die young. And they will say, oh, magikwao, which means okay, and you too. So that is how we do our greeting under this one. Okay. The next one is ekele maka ọnọdụ dị iche iche. Okay, situational greeting. Okay. The next one is greeting based on iru ujo, which is what? Mourning. When somebody die or when somebody lost something very important, it's a mourning situation for Igbo people. How you greet the person, or how you react to the person. You can say ndo, which means sorry, and the person will say oh, which is okay. You can as well say echezila, which means stop crying, and the person will say oh, imela. You can say number 3, you can say kara obi or kasiobi, which means take heart, and the person will have to respond as well. Okay, the last one the last sentence you can use is jide obi giaka, take heart or be strong. The person will have to respond as well. Okay, then we have another situational greeting that Igbo people used to say, which is ihe isike. When somebody is, which is hardship or hard times. When somebody is in hardship or in hard time, ihe izisi ike, the kind of greeting you will give to the person. Okay, you can say ndo, as we said before, ndo, which means sorry, and the person will respond oh. You can say ebezila, which means stop thinking. Okay, or you can as well say ebezila, stop crying. So ebezila could mean stop thinking or stop crying. Okay, the next one is jisie ike, which means be strong, and the person will be responding. Alright, another situational greeting is ahu oko, when somebody is ill or in sickness. When somebody is ill or sick, okay, you can tell the person ndo, which is what? Sorry, and he will respond. Or you can as well say jisie ike, be strong. You can as well say ọ ga-adị mma, it shall be well. You can as well say biko gbakee ngwa ngwa, say please get well soon, and the person will be respond. These are the things you can say when somebody is sick, when Igbo person is sick. Okay, the next one is, the next situational instant greeting is oge emebiri ihe mmadụ, that is spoiling of one's item or something. When you spoil or damage somebody's thing, how you will respond to the person or greet the person that you spoiled his or her thing in Igbo. You can say ndo, which means sorry. You can say, if you don't want to say that one, the person will respond oh or okay. Respond oh, which is okay, or mba, which is no. Okay, you can as well say, use another word or sentence, biko gbaharam, please forgive me, and the person will say either yes or no, as was written there. Okay, the third one is gbahara no, please do forgive, and the person will respond. Or you can say biko amahim ama me ya, please it was not intentional, amahim ama me ya. So that is that greeting under this is situational greeting. Okay, we'll move into another one, which is oge emere mmadụ ihe na-amaghị ama, when somebody is harmed mistakenly. When someone is harmed mistakenly, how you will respond to the person. Okay, A is ndo, that is sorry, and the person will say oh nsogbu adịghị, okay, there is no problem. You can use another way, which is ewela iwe, do not be offended. That is in English translation. Ewela iwe, English translation means do not be offended, and the person will say oh, or we say okay, which is the English translation. And the third one is emehielam, have done wrong. Nsogbu adịghị, that is the response the person will give to you. Then the next one, which is the fourth one, is biko gbaharam, please forgive. The person will say ọ dị mma. Okay, that is that under situational greeting in that side. So I believe you have learned a lot. So whenever you can go through this video as many times as possible. Thank you very much, and please do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much.